Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy recipe which you guys can make it at your home very easily. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make orange skin chutney at your home. So for this orange skin chutney, what you need, here I peeled the orange skin and I chopped into small pieces, and here I soaked the tamarind in the water. If you don't have the tamarind, you can use that tamarind pulp. So that's the easiest way. And take a small kadai, or you can use any non-stick pan also. In this, I'm going to add some oil. So you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And when the oil is little bit hot, we have to add the mustard seeds, the chana dal, and some red chilli. So I am going to add some mustard seeds. And when the mustard seeds start spluttering, we have to add the chana dal. So here I am adding some chana dal and some fresh curry leaves. And I added 4 to 5 red chilies, and in this I am going to add some hing powder. It gives a nice taste in this chutney. And here I am adding this orange skin. And I am going to fry this one. You have to mix this orange skin along with this mustard, the chana dal, so everything. And you can keep this chutney for 2 to 3 weeks guys, and you can have this chutney with idli or dosa or roti, or even with the curd rice. Being a South Indian, we love to have this one with the curd rice. And in this, I am going to add this tamarind water. So take a small bowl of tamarind guys. So yeah. And I am going to add this one also. So I will use this one for rasam or sambar. So we have to, and in this I am going to add the 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and salt up to your taste. So I added the salt and the turmeric powder, and I am going to mix this one very well. And we have to cook this one until it becomes thick. Okay guys, it started becoming thick, and it's time to add some good, that is janggery, and it gives the nice khatta meetha taste in this chutney. And I'm going to mix. Can you see guys, this recipe is very tasty. Hey guys, I switched out the flame 10 minutes before, and can you see it becomes very thick, and I tasted it this one with rice guys, and it is really yummy. And you can prepare this at your home very easily. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make orange skin chutney at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.